Inside the world's only 7-star hotel. Envision that you are gracing a hallway curated with 24-karat gold interior. You walk up the spiraling staircase lit by the most extravagant chandeliers. You enter your mega deluxe suite coupled with enormous marble windows that provide show-stopping views of the Arabian Gulf. Then imagine lying down to lavish pillows and cushions that will surely give you the best sleep you'll ever experience. Those are just a few of the countless spectacular features the Burj Al Arab Hotel can offer. A hotel that is so sumptuous you don't want to leave once you've experienced it. Welcome to Luxco, and today we'll bring you to the most luxurious hotel in the world, the Burj Al Arab Hotel. Before we take a tour of the world's sole 7-star hotel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Burj Al Arab in Dubai is known as one of, if not the best hotel in the world, and it sure does live up to its hype. Its name directly translates to Arabian Tower, which is as literal as it can be. The construction of this magnificent hotel started in 1994 and it opened in 1999. The Burj Al Arab is designed to have a shape of a billowing sail of an Arabian dhow ship. It stands at an astounding 321 meters on its own, an artificial island that lies a few hundred meters off the Dubai coastline. The total construction cost is estimated to be around $1 billion. With this cost, no wonder that the Burj Al Arab is designed to be an icon of Dubai. The hotel's first vision of luxury is in its location. Since it's located on a man-made island, visitors should enter a heavily guarded bridge. So if you're not a guest, you cannot enter the hotel. Most people arrive via complimentary chauffeured Rolls-Royce pickup, but you have the option to arrive by a private helicopter where you'll land on a private helipad, of course if you want a grander entrance into the hotel. The interior of the hotel is made with the finest materials. In the hotel lobby, you'll be greeted with enormous gold pillars, columns, and decorations. Approximately 1,790 square meters of 24-karat gold leaf was used to furnish the hotel's lavish interiors. When you're staying in this hotel, you can say that you're surrounded literally by gold. The lobby also has dancing fountains that use fiber optic lights, water, and mist to create a choreographed effect of water jumping down the stone steps that is definitely a sight to see. The lobby also boasts a honeycomb style of design, which is very rare to be seen in hotels. In the hotel lobby, you will be taken to a side room by one of the hotel's attendants with what they call a marhaba welcome, or a welcome that is accompanied by rose water, cold towels, dates, and Arabic coffee. The attendant will then guide you to your luxury suite. While walking along the lobby, you will notice that the hotel's walls and flooring are made up of more than 30 different types of statuary marble. If you're not familiar with what a statuary marble is, it is simply just the same type of marble that was used by Italian artist Michelangelo to create many of his famous sculptures, including the Statue of David. The hotel attendant will escort you toward the atrium upstairs through an escalator that overviews one of the hotel's 3 aquariums. These aquariums are big enough to house several marine wildlife that elevates the Burj's overall ambience. At the top end of the escalator, you'll be welcomed by the tallest atrium in the world, which stands 590 feet. The atrium is decorated with saffron tiles and fancy furniture. These kaleidoscopic colors produce a trippy effect. The centerpiece of the atrium is a circular fountain with a design that mimics Islamic tile art. It shoots water 130 feet up in the air. The atrium serves as a space for the guests while they wait for their rooms. So, the atrium often feels busy with all the people coming and going. Walking straight past the hustle and bustle of the atrium, you will see gold-coated elevators, which will take you to your opulent room. There are 202 suites inside the Burj Al Arab Hotel, and each suite is designed as expensive as the other. Each room is a duplex suite, which gives you a lot of space to work with. The most basic room is priced at approximately $2,700 per night. This includes a personal butler that will attend to every single one of your requests. Let's talk about the most expensive suite in the Burj Al Arab Hotel, which is the Royal Suite. As its name implies, the Royal Suite will surely give you the feeling of being royalty. There are only 2 royal suites in the hotel, and both are located on the 25th floor. The Royal Suite costs $24,000 per night and is designed for royals and other esteemed visitors, so that $24,000 price tag is just a drop in the bucket for them. The Royal Suite is massive as it is 780 square meters in size. The interior is extremely colorful and bright that is definitely designed for a king. Upon entering, you will find yourself in a hall embellished with marble and gold. In front of you is a grand staircase leading to the suite's upper level. If you don't want to climb up the stairs, you can take the elevator instead. The suite is complete with everything and more than you need. You have the master bedroom with a rotating canopy bed, which will certainly fulfill your Arabian dreams. There's also a huge dressing room, a private cinema, a private library, and a study room that is equipped with the latest gadgets. There is a gold-coated iPad in each suite that serves as a virtual concierge. If it isn't enough, there are 27 phones scattered across the suite for easier access when you want to ring your butler. Furthermore, everything in the room is literally at the touch of a button. You have a remote-controlled bathroom, bedroom, lights, blinds, and anything else you could possibly think of. The suite's bathroom contains an exquisite jacuzzi and a shower where you can choose from 4 different shower heads. The hotel's menu offers different bath products for your bathing comfort and relaxation. On top of all of these bath products, you also get Hermes fragrances and products. Also on the hotel's menu, you can also choose from 17 different pillows and duvets made with eider-down feathers. These feathers come from birds that are native to the Arctic, so you know that these pillows and duvets will provide you with the best insulation all night long. You also have your own private dining area with your very own private butler and a comfy Arabic-style lounge. There is an extensive minibar that contains all of your guilty pleasures, but if you're not the kind of person who's fond of room service, you don't need to worry as there are 8 different restaurants that you can choose from. Each restaurant offers different kinds of cuisine, so there's no doubt that all of your cravings will be left satisfied. One of these restaurants is called Al Muntaha, which means the ultimate, offers the finest French and Italian cuisine by the renowned chef Saverius Baragli. But the hotel's flagship restaurant is the Al Mahara, which means the oyster shell. The Al Mahara is a seafood restaurant, and to elevate your dining experience, it features a large aquarium from floor to ceiling that offers the view of beautiful corals, fishes, and marine wildlife as you dine. The Al Mahara can be accessed via a simulated submarine voyage. You can choose between a variety of dishes such as line-caught sea bass and seared Angus beef. If you fancy a drink, you can head straight to the 27th floor where you can find the Sky Bar. It is a lavish hideaway that soars 200 meters high and is made up of windows from floor to ceiling, which gives you stunning views of Dubai while you sip on your cocktail. The hotel's terrace gives you access to the hotel's glorious beach. This outdoor leisure facility stretches out 100 meters into the sea and is home to a saltwater infinity pool, 4 jacuzzis, a swim-up bar, and 24 luxury day beds. You can also avail the Royal Cabanas for a more aristocratic experience, which costs around $1,400 and are good for 6 people. These Royal Cabanas let you soak in the stunning views of the Arabian Gulf while drinking a bottle of champagne. And that's the end of our tour of the world's sole 7-star hotel. There are endless luxurious things to do in the Burj Al Arab Hotel. If you want to experience a one-of-a-kind royal getaway, the Burj Al Arab Hotel is definitely the best choice for you. This has been Luxcove, and I'll see you on the next video.